He got it, didn't he?
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Ay, 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 ay.
We're not shifting right now.
Could be just smoke coming from the burnout too?
Yeah, it's a lot of stuff.
There's a lot of
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I have no reverse.
No reverse. The casters, they really helped us out here. They always help us out. We had to actually push the Mamba on the trailer in reverse because the splitter was hitting. Hey man, pleasure. Nice meeting you, bro. Scott. Scott. Appreciate you.
Feels good, baby. Moment of truth.
What is up, family? This message finds you all in good spirits. Well, we are back near Pittsburgh with a Ram, but not a rental Ram. We're here with 10R Chaser because he drove me to pick up the Mamba. We're so excited, guys. We're headed back to Scott's. The Mamba's fixed. It was actually fixed just a few days before he dropped it off, but we're back. What do is this, we did something fun. We're actually gonna drive back the 8-second Mamba 7 hours home. How are we gonna do this? Well, a few things. I got 93 tune from Rob, but I got my stock tires. Actually, the funny story, those were EcoBoost front tires, and I have my Mamba seat, so I have heated seats, so that should be good. And for the noise, I also have this right here, the mufflers, because we have dumps, because you know, weight reduction. So we're gonna drive it back. And yes, Vinny complained about no more room in his car, so I'm gonna have to drive back on the drag pack on the rear, but we should be fine. It's in the 40s, no rain, so I'll make the trip. But I'm super excited. And guys, if you guys don't know, I'll remind you, we are in the final week of the Batson giveaway. Again, our 4th and fastest giveaway ever. I'm so excited. Just $5 enter, go to StangMode.com, and someone's gonna win it. And if you guys don't know, I'll remind you, you all voted the Batson's getting a new look, which will be revealed in a few short days. 20 degrees outside, I am freezing. Enough babble, let's get in, let's warm up, and let's go. Hello, sir.
How you doing? Your Uber for the day?
Yes, thank you so much. You look very familiar to this guy named 10R Chaser. I know he does a YouTube channel like once every 3 months.
I have a very common face and body shape.
You just have that kind of face. Heated seat on.
Where are we headed?
We're headed to Dunkin' Donuts.
First one is a large with extra sugar and extra cream. Second one is an extra large with 6 Splenda and extra cream.
Scott wants a extra large caramel ice latte. Kind of like a ice latte in 25 degrees there, Scott.
Like, I don't even want to touch the cup.
I'm scared it's gonna ultimately freeze. Vinny got his Splenda. You get almond milk? What you get? Goat milk with it?
What?
Dang, look at this backup cam. If you guys recall, the Ram last week had this short screen. This has a super long Tesla jam going on.
It's the only impressive thing is on it when to use it is this navigation. Other than that,
dude, why haven't you been using this? Freezing.
It's not really cold. It's just
it's windy. The wind is.
It's not really cold.
All right, guys. Back like we never left. Mamba's working, thanks to Scott. Before we go anywhere, what was the final issue?
It's right here. It says SOLENOID.
Okay.
So it's actually, you can see that it has, I don't know if it'll focus in on that.
Let me try to focus 1 second. There you go.
You can see it kind of has like little notches over
Got
where
it.
it holds it. This side, it escaped and it was able to push itself away from the body.
Got it. Just that little thing, huh?
Uh-huh. Yeah. Weird, never seen it before.
Wow.
This is the SSD solenoid. So your trans was setting it was a friction element for SSD, which, I mean, could be related to the clutch, could be related to a shift solenoid, obviously. And typically, from what I see, normally it's something going on with like a clutch. But obviously in this circumstance, it was a solenoid, because the solenoid was electronically operating, but it was not able to engage the small armature, which is right there, out to actually operate the valve to move everything.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And you also gave some TLC to Mamba, got an oil change, and changed out the idler pulleys and good stuff.
The only thing we need to do yet is program the solenoid body to the PCM. Okay. Which I don't have enough Wi-Fi in here, so my laptop didn't really want to do it. More than likely, we'll have to return it to stock, and then I'll be able to flash it in there with my IDS scan tool. Anytime you put a new solenoid body in, you have to do it. Basically, I go in with a Ford scan tool. It has learned characteristics. Each and every solenoid body has its own individual tag, and you put the tag on the trans, which has flow rates for everything for that solenoid body. You put it in the PCM, and then the PCM knows the information it needs to shift properly.
Oh, cool! You got the pin, so you can take it. You can move it. That's nice. How many point is this?
That's a 10 point. So it's 850 circle.
Perfect.
Yeah, he did all the bar fit through the dash. I just pulled everything out.
Yeah. This looks great.
I love this.
What's cool is you still have your nice seat in there, and jeez.
Yeah, that's what I just pulled that Recaro out.
Huh.
So
all right, well, we need a cage now.
850?
Yeah, it'll go 850.
All right, guys, looks like we need to get a cage next, so coming back again.
A 7-year-old, a 1.5-year-old.
Yeah, I didn't want to drive with dumps the whole way home, so I
This dude is... I was like, so you could have just gotten out there, flown out there, grabbed the car, and went home, but you needed to drive in comfort. Like, we had to bring the exhaust, the chair, the wheels. Like, you could have drove this home easily.
He doesn't want to do it by himself.
I don't want to drive by myself. Plus, like, skinnies, 7 hours? Nah.
So wait, you're putting those on the front?
Yeah.
What if you get some rain?
What?
Did you look at
Yeah, we're good. Luckily, we're good. It just, yeah. I did check.
I mean, I was waiting for commands. I was errand boy.
You guys know how cold this muffler is.
Trust me, I know how cold it is.
You know it's there. It's good, right?
I was making sure it settled in. There's a way to do this.
This is my Harbor Freight special, baby. This thing works.
Listen, I'm all for Harbor Freight.
This thing's about ready to be replaced.
We're doing that.
Can't hear anything.
Are we doing the poll, haircut or not?
Oh, I forgot.
Go to StangMode.com and vote now.
I forgot to take the poll down from the website. It's selected for the color option, but it's already chosen.
Surprise! They have to stay tuned. I think Tuesday or Wednesday the video's coming out.
I'll let you do the one on the camera.
Okay. Oh, this is actually happening.
Can you do it right? Can you line it up perfect without hitting? Oh, you have some practice.
Hand me those bolts.
No, actually.
Lugs. Damn it!
I was on a roll.
You had to blow my spot. I'm gonna edit in lugs. Take a look at this.
Oh my god.
This is back when I was drifting. You don't know about that life yet. Stay tuned. Crazy content 2021. Ooh, this is powerful.
I think that's your thumbnail right there. I'm pretty sure my hand was in there like that. They were like this. Green box, not the green box.
Oh, I need the key.
You will need that.
Key. Yeah, I could have actually drove back with this seat, just to be honest with you.
Oh.
right, Scott, thank you so much. Appreciate it.
No problem, man.
Killed the game again. Follow him, Instagram below. Richardson 50. But Mamba's ready. We're all ready for the deli setup. Feels good. We're back in the Mamba. I'm gonna drive her home, and it's exciting, man. Feels really, really good. Baby. Something you would do with every time you would do a 10R80 or just with the solenoids?
Every time you put a solenoid body on it.
Got it.
This could be something you would do every time. We'll see if it pops up. So yeah, this is normally what I end up doing whenever I do it here. I'll end up hitting here for transmission internal repairs. They just have each one. So if you're replacing a PCM, a full assembly, main control body only, we'll do this as with replacement main control body, so it marks it as like it'll relearn everything anyway.
Sweet.
But you can see that your numbers and the numbers that are on the screen are not the same. That's a 1233.
Got it.
So
I'm gonna make a match now.
yep.
Sweet. Alright, just so you guys know, so now that Scott's done that, we're gonna reload the Palm Beach on a tune on everything should be ship shape. Before we go on our first drive, just want to appreciate everybody and their support. Thank you to Scott. I'm glad this car is back together. Of course, it's January and it's 20 degrees, so we'll be daily driving this car again. And we're going to turn, we obviously, just to reiterate, we pullied up. We put new idler pulleys on it. We put they took the dumps off, but we put the regular mufflers back on. We have regular street front tires. I'll put regular tires on the back, but that's why I love this car, because it's not just an 8-second Mustang that just has one. It's not a one-trick pony, you know, pardon the pun, I guess pun intended, but you know, it's really just it's a really fantastic car, and it's never let me down. Stock motor, just having some trouble with these transes, but I think we're good to go now, so I'm excited for the journey. But let's load this tune, let's start her up, and let's drive home. Feels good. Impressed.
He drove 1 mile an hour backwards.
Guys, it's flawless. We'll do a driving vlog home, guys, but you know, everything's back in working order, and we'll go from there. You know, like, you got anything, Scott? Anything you want to say?
Yeah, I don't even know.
All right, well.
Hey, all right, I got it.
Go.
Hey, so if anybody needs anything, Richardson 50, and just shoot me a message, and I'll get right back to you.
All right, appreciate you, bro. Guys, I cannot explain to you the feeling of how good it feels to be driving Mamba once again. Oh, what a journey. What a journey, what a journey, what a journey. A lot of money, a lot of time, a lot of energy, but we are back. Positive energy 2021. Mamba's back. I'll report to you as we get to the highway, but for now, so far, so good. Mamba, look at that. Feels good. Shift, shift, shift. 8-second daily driver. Holla at your boy. It's doing a great job. We got about a half hour to our home. Running smooth. Smooth. 8-second daily driver. Proud. Drag radials. Don't recommend this in 20-degree weather at all. But you know, no trailer queen, because I don't have a trailer. Oh, 33,000 miles. 8-second daily driver. Oh, I'm so tired. Listen, guys. Oh, long day. Shout out to Talent Chaser for all his help. And we'll be home soon. All right. Passing Philly. Oh, my Eagles, even though we got a new coach and we suck. But still. Well, Mamba is home. We got an O2 sensor there. That's what the check engine's from. So, because the E sat for so long. But easy fix. Mom, we're gonna put in the garage. That's right. Drove 7 hours. Feels good. Feels good to have Mamba home. Needs to be clean, but what a ride. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think this is the highest mile stock block 2018 8-second Mustang. Comment below. All right, you guys, please like and subscribe. Because you know, it never ends. Ooh, I need a nap.